Pasta Carbonara prep.
Dude, that's just more dishes we gotta do. Oh my gosh.
Make sure it's dead. All right, I'm done with this. I'm done. I'm done with this. Shh, I'm done. Shh. Nailed it. First time, every time. This is the stuff we should be catching, by the way.
What's that?
The you and I talking.
Yeah, we are right now.
Oh, it is? Hey everybody, it's your boy Clayton Hensel coming to you from the Uncommon Beastro, where we want to make you a beast in the home by making you a beast in the kitchen. Your wife, your kids are gonna love it when you take over and create memories around the table, and we want to give you the tools to do so. So today, Ryan, what are we making?
We're making, yeah, actually.
Pasta Carbonara. Welcome. Take 2. So when you're making all chicken, or not chicken carbonara, chicken, dang it.
Pasta.
Pasta Carbonara.
Pasta Carbonara.
Welcome / intro. Dang it. Pasta Carbonara. Welcome / intro. Take 4.
Yeah, you don't need to do that every time, just the first time, and then you can just pause and then go into it.
I have no idea what you mean. We want to make you a beast in the kitchen by, no, pause.
Stop clapping and you're good.
Hey everybody, you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2. Hey, what up everybody? It's your boy Clayton Hensel coming to you from the Uncommon Beastro. Our goal is to help you become a beast in the home by being a beast in the kitchen. We think that if you have some of these tools in your tool belt, you're gonna be able to gather your family around the kitchen table, make some incredible memories, and leave a fantastic legacy. So if you're interested in making a difference, we hope you'll go on this journey with us. We got our favorite sidekick, Ryan Garrity, also known as Rye, also known as Rye Bread, helping us, leading the charge. So Ryan, what are we making today?
Pasta Carbonara.
Tell me what that means.
Bacon and pasta, pretty much.
Oh, I heard bacon, and that's all I needed to hear. So let's take a quick look at what all we're gonna need. Well, now that you've got all these ingredients together, Ryan, help us make this thing.
All right, let's get this in our salted pasta water. Yeah, just drop that in there. Buy the pot-sized noodles because nobody's got time to break noodles in half.
Fair enough. Hot water. Okay, then what?
All right, and then we're gonna sear some bacon on there. I believe we're gonna need just a little bit more bacon than that, because why not, right?
Why not? Indeed, was I already supposed to put this in?
Yeah, you're good. Somebody didn't finish cutting the bacon, so.
Who was that? Who's that? And answer real carefully.
It was one of our stagehands.
Yep, former.
So when that gets a little bit more brown, we're just gonna throw some garlic in there. So I'll keep this by you. Ow. That's hot grease right there, watch out, all right?
I'm fully aware. Did you one-hand crack it?
No.
Wuss.
Can you one-hand crack?
Dude, I love a good one-hand crack.
All right, let's see it. That was impressive.
There is so much grease on this bacon.
Good.
There's like a pool of it.
That's what I like to see. I'm just gonna combine the cheese and the egg. All right, you ready? This is gonna go quick.
You're gonna drop it in here and then I just pour this in and stir it up real fast.
Yeah, but I'm gonna strain it and then we're going strainer straight into that little bowl and then you'll whip it up. Actually, you know, we're gonna try one of these little guys just to make sure.
You throw it on your forehead, right?
Yeah. So stay right there.
Just right to the eye.
So it is gonna go quick though.
Strainer, bowl, this goes in top, stir it up really fast. How much do you want me to do?
That's. Keep going, keep going, keep going. That's good, that's good. That's a little much actually. All right, so this is gonna come off. Pasta's still hot. We're gonna drain it real fast.
Pull this out?
Yeah, put like half of them in there.
Oh, it all went in there.
Okay.
Hot fire! We'll use the spoon for that. All right.
All right, so now we're gonna take our egg and cheese mixture.
Yep.
And we're gonna slowly, here, you're gonna toss it slowly, all right?
Okay.
So go ahead, keep tossing it. You just wanna put a little bit in at a time. Let it cook. Keep tossing it, you wanna keep going. We'll put a little bit more in. So what this is doing is it's making that sauce that we want from coating our pasta. See, what we can do is actually take a little bit of this bacon fat. We'll throw that in there just a little bit. Ready for more? I think that's looking pretty good.
You want me to put the rest of the pasta in?
Yeah, why don't you put the rest of it in? I thought we had too much egg mixture, so I didn't want to like overdo it. So keep mixing that. We'll add just a little bit more. And what you're gonna do is just keep tossing in your bacon. You're just gonna salt and pepper to taste.
Way to go, Salt Bay.
Thank you. I didn't get enough elbow in there.
Yeah, but your elbows are pretty nasty.
Okay,
so
that's fair. I didn't, yeah.
Want your salt, my salt running off of that. Thank you. Perfect.
Wow, how's that looking?
I don't know. I've never done this before.
Yeah, just your initial thoughts.
Tell you what, looks like maybe about 30 more seconds of this, and we're really going to start to see some coagulation inside of the egg to the noodle. And then once that kind of happens, there's a chemical reaction that's going to take place between the garlic.
Yeah.
Because right now the garlic is actually, it was hot, so the pressure created it to expand. Now what's happening is it's contracting, and it's oozing out as much of that garlic flavor as it possibly can.
That was just your first thoughts?
Yeah.
Wow.
Those are just the ones off the top of my head. I didn't want to go deep right out of the gate.
All right, let's plate this up and let's serve
do this.
All right, man, you ready to try this?
I can't wait. Smells good. Looks good. Only one question left.
Stab and twirl action.
Does it taste good? That's legit.
That's good.
I burnt the garlic a little bit.
You
That's
wouldn't
on
even,
me.
You wouldn't even be able to tell though.
It's got a little bit of a charred. This is charred pasta carbonara.
The garlic's been smoked. Mm-hmm. It's been heavily roasted, as some would say. But that is a home run.
Nothing in here you couldn't do with your kids. You could cut up the bacon with a pair of scissors.
That'd probably be easier.
Yeah, it would be way easier than with a knife. Your kids would absolutely love it.
Yeah. You can add vegetables to this too and make it a little
Nope.
healthier, but
Nope.
why ruin a good thing?
You could add vegetables, but this is for men. So we'll just keep it with bacon and pasta. All right, guys, our goal is to give you some tools to be able to make a difference in the home by making a difference in the kitchen. You can do this meal for your wife. You could do this meal for your kids. Your kids could participate. They'd love it. Last time we met together, we talked about the fruit of the Spirit, and the first one I want to talk to you a little bit about is love. So the fruit of the Spirit is love. Now, here's the deal about love. You ever tried to pick up some spaghetti? How you can't just really pick up one strand. They're all ended up being connected. Well, that's a little bit like love. It goes into every facet of our lives. It goes into all of the other fruit of the Spirit. Is because our ability to love impacts all the other fruits. You're not gonna have a hard time being patient if you're not loving. You're gonna have a hard time being having self-control if you don't love the people around you. And Jesus says that the greatest commandment is to love God with all of your heart, mind, soul, and strength. In fact, every single day when I take my kids to school, that is the prayer that I pray over them, that they would love God with all their heart, mind, soul, and strength. And then the second greatest commandment is to love your neighbor as yourself. Take a couple minutes and think, how can I be loving today? Implement it into your life. Love your family, love your kids, love your God, and let's make a difference together. I'm tired of seeing ordinary guys. I'm ready to see some people be uncommon. Can't wait to catch you next time. Deuces. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this past episode of the Uncommon Bistro. We've got a couple things that we believe will be beneficial to you as you continue your journey of being uncommon. One of them is chooseuncommon.com. There you can find the store, our registration for upcoming events. You can see the blog, and you can also see who we're booking for our conference. I want to remind you guys, our conference is coming up June 19th and 20th of 2020. We believe it's going to be the biggest and best one we've ever had. And it is never too early to register. So I want you to register and every person you have influence over so we can take this ground together. Every single one of us need to take a step of faith with Christ, and this conference is going to help all of us do that collectively. Second thing I want to make you guys aware of that would be a huge help to us is if you'd hit that subscribe button and if you click that bell so that way you get the notification when our next video is coming out, because we want these to continue to be a blessing to your life and we don't want you to miss them. We love you all. Believe in the best. Have a great one.